Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Okay. I'm considering buying this property.
Wow. Without telling me?
Kasi, it's like this, since you're here already, it was supposed to be a surprise. A welcome gift for you. I was just thinking, when it was offered to me, baka pwede tayo ni Libby magpunta dito if we just want to get away from the city. Ikaw, anong ginagawa mo dito? Sinusundan mo ba ako, Charlene?
La, never mind. Umiinom ka pala ng red wine. I didn't know that. Akala ko ba mahilig ka lang sa whiskey and beer?